Welcome to the engineering program at San Angelo ISD, where students learn to plan, design, and build innovative solutions through hands-on projects and real-world applications.
I love the people that are in this program, all the teachers, all the students, and all of the experiences that you get to have, especially like the trips. We went to Principal LED a few years ago and saw their production line. I think we're planning to go to Ethicon this year too.
Through the Engineering Foundations program, students gain valuable skills in design, technology, and problem solving, preparing them for future careers in engineering and beyond.
My plans after high school are to pursue engineering, get a degree from Angelo State University in mechanical engineering, and this program has helped me to know the skills that I need to follow through on that and get a head start on it. Like, I've already done a few freelance gigs with 3D modeling and stuff like that, so it's definitely giving me a step up on everybody else. Before the end of this year, I will have earned my certification in Fusion 360, which is the industry standard 3D modeling software, and for free too, which normally would cost $100 to several $100s to earn without this program.
Students collaborate to design, test, and evaluate projects, gaining hands-on experience that builds the foundation for careers in mechanical, electrical, and civil engineering. Students collaborate to design, test, and evaluate projects, gaining hands-on experience that builds the foundation for careers in mechanical, electrical, and civil engineering.
Even if you're not looking to pursue it as a career or even after high school at all, it's a really important, valuable skill set that you should have in this technologically advancing world.
Discover the engineering program at San Angelo ISD, where students turn ideas into innovative solutions and build the future.